Hello, viewers. Welcome. Let's provide answer to this question. We have to express 4x squared minus 9 divided by 4x minus 6 in the form as a fraction 1 out of a into bracket af plus b. So we'll be able to express this in this, hence evaluate the integral of this for a limit of 0 to 2. Good. So the first thing first, for us to be able to express this, we have to see whether we can be able to get a common factor in a numerator and that of the denominator. If I look at here, between 4 and 9, there is no common factor, but I can see that 4 is a perfect square, whilst 9 is also a perfect square. Common factor for 4 and 6 is 2. So I can find other factors that can help me cancel and get a 10 like this. So this can be written as 2x all squared, as in 2 squared x squared will give us back our 4x minus 3 squared, which is also giving us our 9, divided by 2x, as in the common factor I mentioned is 2. So 2 times 2x give us 4x minus 3 will be the product of this will give us what? 6. So for the top, this is going to be a square of 2x, a square of 3, difference of 2 squared. So that gives us 2x plus 3, 2x minus 3. That's the difference of 2 square expansion. Then this will still remain 2x minus what? 3. So the reason why we are expanding this is to get a common factor. And I can see 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. So this will cancel this. We are left with only this on top, which will be 2x plus 3 over 2 as the only answer. So this is going to be 2. But this can be taken as a fraction in the form 1 over 2 multiplying 2x plus what? 3. Because if you have a fraction and a constant, the constant goes to multiply the numerator. So 1 times all this will give us 2x plus 3, then our denominator of 2. So this implies that the integral from 0 to 2 of 4x squared minus 9, 4x minus 6 is the same as the integral from 0 to 2, 1 out of 2, 2x plus what? 3 dx. We know that if we are doing integration and there's a constant as a coefficient, the coefficient is taken out. So 1 out of 2 integral of 2x plus 3 dx. The coefficient here goes to multiply the integral before we integrate. And in the integration, we know we are going to increase the power by 1. So 1 plus 1 will be 2 divided by 2. Then we know 2 divided by 2 will cancel. Here, if I have a constant and I'm asked to integrate a constant, we know we introduce the variable, the x, to that part. So this is going to be 1 out of 2, which is the constant, multiply the integration x squared plus 3 what? X, 2 and 0. We don't add constant c because of what? Definite integral. So now we are going to find the substitution of x by 2 and x by what? 0. So this becomes 1 over 2 multiplying. Let me make it big. Multiplying x squared, which is 2 squared, plus 3x, which is 2, minus the 0 squared, plus 3, 0. So this bracket is the one that we close at the end there. So now we can find this to be 4. Find this to be 6. Find this to be 0, 0. So we're having 1 out of 2 multiplying 6. Okay, 4 plus 6 minus what? 0. 4 here, 6 here. This will be 0, 0. So we get 0 plus 0 to be 0. We can expand this to become 1 out of 2 multiplying what? 10. 4 plus 6 will be 10. And half of 10 will just be what? 5. So the evaluation of this from 0 to 2 is just what? 5. This is what is translated to become this. If we were to be given this directly, we could have still continued to move this to become this before we do our integration. I believe this is clear. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with somebody else, and leave a comment for us to get interactive. Bye-bye.